Tom and Katie reach a settlement. Hey guys, and thanks for sticking with me here on Clever News. Shortly after announcing their divorce, Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes have indeed reached a settlement agreement. While the terms of the agreement have not been revealed, Katie's attorney Jonathan Wolfe told People.com, quote, "The case has been settled and the agreement has been signed. We are thrilled for Katie and her family and are excited to watch as she embarks on the next chapter of her life. We thank Tom's counsel for their professionalism and diligence that helped bring about this speedy resolution." Now, earlier today, both Tom and Katie released a joint statement regarding their 6-year-old daughter, Suri, saying, quote, "We are committed to working together as parents to accomplishing what is in our daughter Suri's best interests. We want to keep matters affecting our family private and express our respect for each other's commitment to each of our respective beliefs and support each other's roles as parents." So, while many speculated that this divorce could become one of the messiest splits in Hollywood history, we're pretty happy that both parties seem to be taking the high road. I want to hear from you though, of course. Are you shocked by how amicable this divorce is? And who do you think should have primary custody of Suri? Sound off with your thoughts in the comment section below, and then make sure you give us a follow on Twitter and hit that subscribe button for tons more news on all of your favorite celebs. In Hollywood, I'm your host, Katie Krause, and thanks for watching.